Qué cochina, me va bien. Have you watched my video about mate? Go watch it. Está frío. Tengo que arreglarlo. Arreglar means to turn the hierba around. This one is. Está tan lavado. We call it washed. When you use so much water, I almost drank the whole thermo. This is not sponsored, just so you know. Ah, qué rico. Lavadito, lavadito.